looking for the EV charger. Where is it?
That's a big up friend Ira.
Fuck no, baby.
Try to sentence me, okay, the winter's cold. Where I'm from, we had them tenant key. I swear that pussy told on us. Now that nigga dead to me, I got it on my own. I ain't had no one to fend for me. I never sold my soul. I will never let it get to me. In Cali with the rose, yeah, I'm riding with a felony. She stripping on the pole. I won't let it get the best of me. I got it on my own. I ain't had no one defending me. She said she play a role. Now she trying to steal the recipe. I had to hit the road, cause I didn't like it. I swear that bitch be popping mollies like a remedy. Spanish bitch, a hot tamale. She be blessing me, shoot the house like paparazzi. They ain't catching me, I'm riding in a fucking Mazda. Pushing hella keys, I made it to the top floor. Now they tryna lock the door, about to get the top score. Now they tryna pull a cord, fuck her till she got sore. Now she said she wants some more.
You're saying we have to get over?
See, Bobby.
Okay.
We got 2 more lights. They're after the next light, I think. Should we stop real quick, try it out? Yeah, we can try it out.
So we're headed to Pigeon Forge. Was it Pigeon Forge? Where is it? Pigeon Forge? Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Yeah, Pigeon Forge, right?
We all outside.
And we got like our radios.
Hey, I'm popping ass.
I mean, we got people talking everywhere. I don't know. We got these from Walmart, and they actually work really well. And I guess apparently other people are on the same channel, so.
Hey guys, where the crew meets at? Where all the car folk at?